In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell between $5,000 and $10,000 worth of custom furniture every single month like clockwork. Let's dive in. All right, well, welcome back to the podcast. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're here as always. And in today's video, I want to show you exactly what you need to do in order to start selling between $5,000 and $10,000 per month in custom furniture. If you will do what I teach you to do inside of this video, you will start selling between $5,000 and $10,000 each month in custom furniture. So number one, the first thing that you need to do is quit selling cheap products. Sell expensive items. When I say expensive items, anywhere from $800 and up. You can design and build custom furniture and start selling those at a minimum of $800. When I say custom furniture, what do I mean? Dining tables, living room furniture, bedroom furniture, barn doors. A lot of this stuff can start at a minimum price of around $800 to $1,000. So that's the first thing that you need to do is quit selling $50 trinkets, small little items. It's just going to take a lot of people to buy those things in order to get you from an economic standpoint where you're trying to go financially, okay? So you really want to be at minimum around that $800 to $1,000 mark on all of your products, okay? So that's the first thing. Second thing is build 2 to 3 designs that are clear winners, okay? So what do I mean when I say clear winners? I was able to scale my woodworking business up to $900,000 in 2023. 95% of what we sold was custom dining furniture. So by having table designs that are appealing, that are beautiful, you're going to be able to sell a lot of these products, okay? Now, the number one thing that I would say here is that they have to be appealing, they have to be beautiful products, but then they have to appeal to the masses. I see a lot of guys that they want to have a super weird niche product that very few people would be interested in, and even if you charge a lot of money for it, so few people are interested in it, it's very hard to get it in front of the right people. But if it appeals to the masses, it's very easy to post these products in public places and land deals, land sales on these products, okay? So you need to position your product in a way that appeals to the masses. Okay, I cannot emphasize that enough. But you need 2 to 3 designs, and that's it. So you need to build these 2 to 3 designs. And so when it comes to this, what are some things that we see are effective? So one thing that is a huge no-no in today's furniture market is super high gloss finishes on your products, where we're using like high gloss polyurethanes or high gloss epoxies. These are not appealing anymore to the eye. People like to have a matte or a much more toned down finish on the product. So avoid super high gloss finishes and then use a good wood, some type of oak or some type of maple or some type of walnut if possible, but also monitor your costs and make sure that you don't have, $500, $600, $700 in this product trying to sell it for $1,000. That's not the goal. You want to be able to have a couple $100 in the product to be able to start selling it at $1,000. But if you have $500 in the product, you really need to be selling it for around $2,000 to $2,500. But you want to build 2 or 3 designs that are clear winners, okay? A couple examples of this are like the James & James really big tulip leg 4-corner post style table. That's a clear winner. Another one is what we call the Watson design inside of Iron by Iron Designs. And I've sold literally probably 200 of those tables in the last 5 years. But picking clear winners that appeal to the masses, that you can paint the bottoms or stain the bottoms and stain the tops on, that's going to resonate with a lot more people than doing a crazy epoxy river table. That's $10,000. Now, that's not to say that you can't sell that, but it's just a much smaller market that's interested in that kind of product, okay? But also, to be fair, this also determines where you're at in the country. If you're in the South, more farmhouse, more traditional style furniture typically does better. If you're out on the West Coast or up in the East, it may be one of those more modern designs that has metal legs, has some type of epoxy, some type of live edge version, okay? So you want to build 2 to 3 designs that you can build again and again that are clear winners, okay? Number 3 is you want to get beautiful photos and videos of it. So what does this mean? This means that take some time and go find a beautiful place to stage your furniture, okay? This could be a friend's house. This could be a studio, a field next to your house. This could be anywhere, but take some time, guys, and go get great photos of this. One of the biggest things that I see guys do and why they don't succeed is that they build a great product, then they get terrible pictures of it. I'm going to post some examples of some that I've recently found that look really, really good. And so these are great examples of good pictures. A good photo of a product is worth 100 times what that actual product is worth. Let's say that you're selling a farmhouse table set for $3,000. Well, you get an awesome picture of that. You might sell 50 to 100 types of that product because of that photo in the future. So never, ever, ever skim past this opportunity to get good photos and good video of your product, okay? I cannot stress this enough. Number 4 is you want to post these products in Facebook Marketplace, and you want to post them as actual products in Facebook Marketplace. Don't try to put all of them together in the same listing. Create individual listings for each of them. And what's cool about Facebook Marketplace now is that you can post your video as the first one, and then you can post photos after that. So when I say photos, you should get like a big photo of the whole product, and then you should get photos of the wood grain, and then you should get photos of the legs, and you should get detailed pictures along the way. But you should create Facebook Marketplace listings for each of these products, okay? And if you have really good photos, guys, it is not that hard to stand out in a sea of competition right now because nobody knows how to do this. But if you can get good photos, it's going to set you apart. So post it in Facebook Marketplace. And then number 5 is post these weekly in local Facebook groups, okay? This is kind of the secret sauce that a lot of the guys inside of the Woodworking Business Accelerator program are starting to discover. It's something that we've done in the past to generate a ton of buzz around our business. And I'll just say it with this as well. Always post with some type of incentive. That for the next 3 customers that place an order, we're offering blank. Okay, this is really going to increase the engagement on those posts. So again, if everything you sell is between $1,000 and $3,000, if you're going to do between $5,000 and $10,000 in total sales every month, you only need 2 to 5 sales a month. That's all you need. So that means, you're selling 1 every 2 weeks, or at most 1 every 4 days. This is not that hard to pull off. From an economic standpoint, from a math standpoint, if everything you're selling is high ticket and expensive, you only need to sell like maybe 2 to 5 people, okay, all month long. Okay, that makes that very attainable for anybody, okay? Then from there, if you build designs that people want, you get beautiful photography and videography of it, and you post it consistently in public places, you're gonna get more leads and you're gonna get more sales, okay? Cannot overemphasize this enough. It's not hard, it's not complex, it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So with that being said, if you're looking to grow your woodworking business, I've got a couple resources for you. Number 1 is I have a completely free ebook. It's about 100 pages long. It's completely free to you, and it's in the first link in the description below. You can click on that, enter your first name, your email, and we're going to send that over to you via email as soon as you hit the go button. And there have been over 2,200 people that have read that book now. It's been super helpful to so many people, and I hope that it helps you as well. Number 2 is if you are looking for some more strategic help on how to get to this $5,000 to $10,000 per month mark, be sure to check out the Handmade Hero Academy. Guys, again, I say this all the time, but if you sell one product from what you learn from that program, it more than pays for itself. It's a low-cost option to get into the game, okay? Number 3, if you're really trying to scale your woodworking business, be sure to check out the Woodworking Business Accelerator program. This is our flagstone coaching program that we offer, and we're currently working with around 35 guys all over North America, helping them scale, helping them grow, and I would love to help you as well. So with that being said, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.